Pranam to all, how are you? I hope you are all fine. Bougainvillia is an hardy tropical vine that grows in areas where winter temperatures remain above 30 degrees Fahrenheit. The plant usually produces 3 rounds of vibrant blooms in spring, summer, and autumn. As it is already spring, we will do some special care for our Bougainvillia. Already there are many flowerings in our Bougainvillias, but make sure to watch till the end to see how my mom gets even more flowers. Bougainvillia performs well in a relatively small container where its roots are slightly restricted. When the plant is large enough for repotting, move it to a container only one size larger. Use a regular potting soil without a high level of coco peat. Too much coco peat retains moisture and may result in root rot. And make sure that your container where you are growing Bougainvillia has drainage holes. As you know, spring season is the best time to prune and repot your plants. That's why my mom is pruning the plants a little bit. This plant usually does not attract many pests. But if you still see any kind of damaged or infected stems and leaves, make sure to remove them. And if you wish, you can give it your own shape. Make sure to water a new planted Bougainvillia frequently to keep the soil moist. And if you wish to plant any new plants right now, make sure to do it. I prefer planting it from stem cuttings. Once the plant is established, it blooms best if the soil is a little on the dry side. And make sure to water the plant until liquid drips through the drainage hole. Then don't water again until the potting mixture feels slightly dry. Now after cutting the plants a little more, my mom will show you how to prepare your soil. Oh, and if you notice that your plant is getting bigger and it needs a new pot, make sure to do it right now. And make sure that the soil is loamy and fertile. Out of our 5 Bougainvillia plants, one of our plants needed a repotting. So she is repotting the plants right now. First, make sure to separate your plants from the old pot. If you get a little bit of soil and the roots in the bottom part, nothing will be affected. With this only, add a little bit of new fertile soil. And then simply repot it into another pot. Just like my mom is doing right now. Next part is the fertilization. Before fertilizing, you all know that digging is a must. This is because it helps in aeration. Also, it helps in absorbing the nutrients more. Now the fertilizer my mom is giving is homemade and free of cost. Here we have used tea leaves, banana peels and eggshells. If you want to know more about how you can make this fertilizer, make sure to check our playlist. We will give it in the end. After giving your fertilizer, make sure to thoroughly water your plants. You can try this. That's all for today. If you liked this video, then make sure to subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.